Introducing the new designation and department features in FleetOnGo. Access the settings to customize your organizational structure. Navigate to the Organization section to manage designations and departments effectively. Select the designation options to define roles. Initiate the process of adding new designations. Select the company name from the drop-down list, enter the designation name, and click Save. Modify existing designations to keep them relevant. Apply your changes to ensure that the designation reflects current team requirements. Remove any outdated designations. Access the Department section to further refine your organizational. Begin adding new departments. Select the company name from the drop-down list, enter the department name, and click Save. To make changes, click Edit. Confirm your edits to keep the department structure relevant and functional. Remove any unnecessary department. This guide will help you understand how to create designations and departments. Thank you.